Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on these two yarns here, and I just ask that you are a subscriber. You comment down below something crochet related. All my links are listed down below. I have a new Facebook page and group for crocheting because my group was taken from me. I have a higher security on it now. I will pick a winner in about a week to 2 weeks from now with a random comment picker. And you can just comment down below something crochet related, perhaps what you're working on or something, a pattern that you're looking for. I have a Amazon book, 2 books on Amazon for sale. All those links are listed down below with Knit Crate and Etsy products. Like I have crochet mugs and a bag also. All right, so I just want to do a quick review on these, and these two are the giveaways. I'm giving these two away. So this one is Loops and Threads. When I'm in Michael's, they like to do a lot of sales, so you can get these for like half off. I had to pick this one. It was just seemed like a lot for what I paid for. I think I did get this one 40% off of $10. And this is a medium 4, 87% cotton, cream cotton, 432 yards, 7 ounces, pink, pastel pink, very soft. It is mostly cotton. A very nice color. I love the color and the texture of it. I will see if I can find this on Amazon and link it down below. Yes, I would recommend this, especially for like a nice baby's blanket. This one I found at Target, candy coated. I found this in my stash. I don't know if you know or not, but Target does have some yarn. I did a video on it a while ago. This is handmade worsted yarn, 100% acrylic. All of their yarns are just like this. 180 yards, 3.5 ounces, and it has like a nice, it's very soft, has a nice variety of colors, light blue, like a turquoise green, yellow, somewhat of a pastel rainbow. This is also part of the giveaway, and you can go to your local Target and see if they have yarns there. Every time I go, they do. They usually have just the same typical yarns, and they're just like this, similar to this. Okay, so to participate in this giveaway, it is sponsored by me, not by YouTube. And just comment down below. Make sure you're a subscriber. Check all links down below if you'd like to look into any of the promotions or see if you can find these on Amazon. This one, probably not because it's Target. Okay, so thank you for watching.